Good afternoon, all of you. How are you? Am I audible to you? Okay. So today I will start your EVS class. Okay. In the last class I have completed our textbook. So today I will start this workbook. EVS workbook. Chapter Poonam's Day Out. Workbook, okay? And page number 1, Poonam's Day Out. All of you open your EVS workbook, page number 1, Poonam's Day Out. Okay? So this is workbook. No workbook? Okay. You will write down this question answer in your copy. Okay, now when you will get your workbook, then we will write down in your question answer in the workbook. Okay, no problem. You write down question answer in your copy. Okay. Ridik, if you have not your workbook, then you can write down question answer in your copy, and when you will get this book, then you will write down this question answer in your workbook. Okay. So let's start. First listen carefully. Okay. Okay, no problem, listen carefully. From this chapter, Poonam's Day Out. Poonam's Day Out. From this chapter, we have learned that there are different types of animals which we see around us. Here, different types of animals: birds, butterfly, dog, cat. Okay. So there are different types of animals which we see around us. They live in different places like trees, water or land. Each animal has its own way to move. Some fly, some walk, some hop, some crawl and some swim. Okay? They can be classified as crow, sheep, dog, cat. This is a spelling, not crow, that is cow. Okay. Mammals are cow, sheep, dog, cat, etc. Birds are sparrow, crow, sparrow, crow, parrot, etc. Reptiles are lizard, snake, and insect, that is housefly, cockroach, ant. And birds, reptiles and insect lay eggs to produce young ones, while mammals give birth to young ones. Okay. So next page, that is question answer. Writing is fun. That is question answer. Okay. First I write down number 1. Can all animals fly? Name 3 animals that can fly. Okay, first question is, can all animals fly? And name 3 animals that can fly. Okay, so answer is no, all animals cannot fly. Okay, all animals cannot fly. Can all animals fly? And name 3 animals that can fly. So answer is no, all animals cannot fly. Okay, and 3 animals that can fly, that's are birds like sparrow, butterfly, and page number 2. Okay, this page. Workbook question answer, Poonam's day out. This page. Sparrow, butterfly and crow. Okay, next is number 2. Where do the following animals live? Where do the following animals live? Crow, ant, pigeon, butterfly, squirrel, parrot, monkey and chameleon. These animals, where they live? Okay, answer is, question is, where do the following animals live? Where do the following animals live? Where do the following animals live? First one, crow. Crow live in tree. Next, ant. Ant also live in tree or soil. Okay, next, pigeon. Sorry, yes, next is pigeon. Pigeon lives in house. Next, butterfly. Butterfly flower or tree. Squirrel tree. Parrot also tree. Monkey branches of the tree. Monkey branches of a tree or শুধু only tree. Okay, next, chameleon. Chameleon Okay. So first one, where do the following animals live? Crow, tree, ant, tree or soil, pigeon, houses, butterfly, flower or tree, squirrel, tree, parrot, live in tree, monkey, live in tree, chameleon also. Okay. So question number 2 completed. Next question number 3. Make a list of some animals which live with us in our houses. Make a list of some pet animals which live with us in our houses. Number 1 completed. Then I erase the board. Okay. Okay. So next number 3. Question number 3 I write down here. Okay. Question number 3. Make a list. Make a list of some pet animals. Some pet animals which live with us in our house. Like dog, cat, parrot, rabbit, etc. Okay. Make a list of some pet animals which live with us in our houses. Next is name any 3 animals that live. That question number 2. On land, on trees, in water and in our homes. Okay. Next question number 2. Question number 2. Name any 3 animals that live that is on land. Number 1. Number 2 on trees. On trees, in water and in our homes. Okay. So on land, that is dog, cow, horse. On trees, monkey, sparrow, not sparrow. Page number 2. This page number 2. Monkey, parrot, crow. In water, fish, frog, snake. In our homes, that is housefly, cockroach, and parrot, not parrot, that is, all of you first mute your microphone. Housefly, cockroach, and cat. Okay. Next, match the following. Completed this work fast. Okay. So next, match the following. Number 3. Okay. Match the following. Column A and column B. Column A, that is chimpanzee, chimpanzee, 2 horse, number 3 frog, number 4 cat, 5 fox, and last one, that is rabbit. Okay. Next, that is column B. Cabbage, CABBAGE, cabbage. Mice, MICE, mice. C, grass, GRASS, grass. D, meat, MEAT, meat. E, fruits, FRUITS, fruits. And F, insect, INSECTS. Okay. So chimpanzee eats fruits. Okay. That is number 1. Horse eat. Next, cat is mice, number 4. Fox eat meat, that is 5. Insect, frog eats insect, number 3. And rabbit eat cabbage, that is number 6. And horse eat grass, number 2. Okay. Ready? So completed. Number D is meat. Chimpanzee, match with chimpanzee. Fruits, horse, that is grass. Frog, that is insects, cat, mice, fox meat, and rabbit cabbage. Okay, so today I have completed up to this work. Okay, and next class is we will start rest of the topic. E, that is E is fruits match with chimpanzee.